how these invasive species were introduced into Australia and how they have grown massively in population after being freed, let's see what problems they're causing and their impacts on farmers. Feral goats cause an in Australia now see catching and selling wild goats as a vital part of their business. The main product from wild goats is meat for export. Some live wild goats are also shipped overseas. Recently, wild goats have been mixed with can lead to landslides on steep slopes. The increased erosion can greatly impact biodiversity in the long run by washing away soil and nutrients and changing how the soil is structured, which affects how well plants can grow. These goats also mess with plants that grow back year after year by eating them and stopping new plants from growing. They can even kill established plants by chewing on their leaves. And when they eat young plants, it stops those plants from growing too. Wild goats can be especially destructive on islands, hurting the ecosystem directly by eating too much and indirectly causing problems like fewer plant species and fewer animals. It's been found that getting rid of wild goats can lead to fewer non-native grasses growing and more native bushes and trees growing instead. So even though it's hard to see at first, taking away the goats might mean more fires and more non-native grasses taking over. Feral goats also impact the native land animals of Australia by directly competing with them for things like food, water, and shelter, and by causing changes in ecosystems. These effects are often bad because they reduce the variety of animals in the area. Wild goats fight with farm animals for food and water, especially when there's not much food around. They can even push other animals away from water sources. Sometimes the water levels in rock holes go down so much that other animals can't drink. Or they fall in and die, which makes the water for longer. Second, goats eat
sate kambing. Tekstur daging yang dipakai empuk banget, enak. Gamak tuh. Sebelum dibakar, sate kambing direndam dengan bumbu supaya rasanya makin enak. Katanya sih bumbu rahasia ini memakai 21 jenis bumbu rempah. Kebayang gak supaya bumbu bisa meresap sempurna ke dalam daging? Oh iya, supaya bisa matang sempurna.
Teman-teman, namanya kambing guling ya teman-teman, khas orang Saudi. Nah, makannya itu satu-satu ini ya, nggak pernah dipotong ya teman-teman. Jadi di sini itu kambingnya seperti ini ya, enak-enak banget ini guys. Masya Allah. Oke, buat teman-teman semua, terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like.